How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the reverse trigger in Geometry Dash. Now let's say that we have a level similar to this one on which we have to use the second upper part, and maybe you want to go ahead and reverse your character. This is where the reverse trigger comes in. So using this is extremely simple. There's multiple ways that you could use this, and the number one is just placing it anywhere you want to, maybe this one. And after triggering it by stepping onto this line right here, you will be able to simply trigger the reverse trigger, as you can see right here. Now, if you don't want that to happen, because once again, you have multiple parts of your level, you just want to make sure to place this where your character can touch it. So let's just click on Edit Objects, and you want to make sure to select the touch trigger. So from here, maybe you want to place multiple reverse triggers, so you will be able to use the bottom part of your level. You could of course do that. So in our case, let's do something like this one, and from here let's enable touch trigger and let's play out the level right here. Now, in order for this to work, you have to make sure that your level is on the classic mode. If you're on the platform mode, the reverse trigger won't work. And so that's how you simply use the reverse trigger in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.